Hello, this is Devin Lockett, once again at the Biometrics Health Center with another holistic health tip. I'm going to be talking about how to manifest wealth with Haritaki. Okay, now the last time I made a video about Haritaki, I think you can find it if you click right here. I mentioned that I was going to show you how to manifest wealth using Haritaki, and I didn't show you. So I want to take a moment here to show you the technique of how to manifest wealth using Haritaki. Now, what is Haritaki? Haritaki is a plant. It's called Terminalia chebula. It comes from the Terminalia chebula plant, which grows in India and throughout Asia. It's actually the fruit of the plant, the pulp of the fruit that grows in the Terminalia chebula plant. In India, it's called Kaduka podi, okay? And it is the active ingredient in about 70% of all the Ayurvedic medications coming from India and Nepal. The powder you see here is the pulp from the inside of the fruit. The shell of the fruit is actually poisonous. But if you take the powder here, right, and you eat it, it's very bitter. You can increase the percentage of oxygen in your blood 300 to 400%. Okay? It also cleanses the brain. It cleanses the pineal gland. Okay, and it cleanses different parts of the brain, and it also has a good way of cleansing the your digestive tract. Okay, it'll definitely get rid of the residue from alcoholism and drug addiction, and just from eating junk food and everything else. It's a really good thing to take. Like I said, you can find the other a lot of information on the previous video I did, but what I'm trying to show you here is how to specifically manifest wealth. How to manifest wealth. This is what the yogis, the gurus, all say. Now, you take a little bit of Haritaki, all right? I swallow it in the morning, right, to improve my mood. It definitely gives you energy and gives you a better mood. But to manifest wealth, you pinch it, take a pinch, okay, of Haritaki powder, and you rub it on your gums. Okay, this is the technique for manifesting wealth. And do this every day, okay? Do this every day. Rub it right here. Don't be afraid. It has a bitter taste, but I just want to demonstrate how you go about manifesting wealth using Kaduka podi, or otherwise known as Haritaki. Now, you can of course get yourself some Haritaki on eBay. I don't sell Haritaki. You can order it from India. A lot cheaper than you can buy it at Whole Foods or any of the health food stores. But that's it. Let me get my trusty towel. Try to clean off the excess. And it definitely increases the oxygen. Okay? Increases the oxygen to the brain. It has a bitter flavor. It takes some getting used to. I'm not going to lie. Okay. Now, while I've got you here, I'm going to give you another tip. And this is going to be for my Patreon audience. So, excuse me, YouTubers. but this formula is good. Also, I would recommend, well, I'm going to show you how to create a scalp elixir in a future video, which is good for cleansing the brain and getting rid of a lot of the toxins from doing drugs and alcoholism. So that's all I have to say. Once again, I have to remind you that I am not a doctor. Nothing that you see here on Biomed RX TV should be construed as medical advice in any form. If you have an illness, I recommend that you consult with your physician and follow your physician's advice. What else? This is only for information purposes and fair use and all of that. Anyway, I would like everyone to stay kind, because kind is the new sexy. Stay blessed and stay healthy. Thank you for watching Biomed RX TV.